Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye, and welcome to my channel. Today, y'all, we have a unboxing, and it is a Coach unboxing. So, as usual, I'm trying to figure out the best way to open it. I did not take the label off of the top, but I believe this little groove here is the opening for it. Okay, let's see if that did the trick. And it did. Alright, so I may have to adjust my camera. Maybe not. So let's see. Okay, it does have the little... Probably let me raise the camera up so you can see the top of the box. Is that not going to get in the shot? Probably not. Let me just... Well, you can see it now. The little Coach inside of the box. That's all I was trying to get in shot. So now let's see what's inside. Okay, so it says Coach Reloved. So we get to see what it is. Let me move the box out of the way. They did provide my receipt or invoice. And I don't think there's anything else in the box. All right. Let's take a look. Okay, y'all, let's see. And this is my second Coach Reloved bag. My first one was a Kia crossbody color block bag. So when I saw this one on the Coach website, I did compare it to other sites. And Coach had the best price, so they knew what they were doing. I hope it's all the way in the shot pretty good. So you all, I believe this is a Tyler carryall. So let's see. And the color is brass as well as rust. With the coated canvas. So it does have the beautiful rust colored leather with the coated canvas. And I'm just looking it over to see if I can tell that it was reloved or pre-loved or not. The glazing looks good. I have a feeling they kind of go over all of those details, the glazing and all of that beforehand. Well, as a part of the process. So it does have the Coach charm hanging there as well as the Coach hang tag. The glaze looks like it's been redone to me. I could be wrong. Let me know in the comments if y'all think they redid or went back over the glaze itself. I like that it does have hardware on the handle, so I can hang a charm from that. And it does have feet as well. I don't really see any flaws in the bag, y'all. So they did a good job, I would say, going back over everything. Excuse me. So inside this, it really doesn't have a front or back, but I guess I'll say this is the back since it's behind the leather patch. There's just two slip pockets here with the leather trim at the top. The interior is like a burgundy or wine color. It does not have lining. That's probably the only thing that I don't like about this tote. Excuse me, is that it does not have lining in it. There's lining here inside of the middle zipper pocket or divider. Zipper works fine. Does have Coach there in the zipper on the pull tab. And nothing on this side. So it's just the leather logo patch there on this side. And then the zipper compartment, and then the back with 2 open pockets, sub pockets. So pretty simple setup. The shoulder drop on it, I'm going to do a quick measurement on that because I think that it's, if I recall, it was at least about 10. So let's see if that is correct or not. And I'm just going to measure from the purse itself to the center of the, yes. So the shoulder drop looks like it's at least 10, between 10 and 10.5 inches. So that should fit securely on my shoulder with no problem, without it being too far up my armpit, because I cannot stand that at all. And in a previous video, I did unwrap, excuse me, the wristlet that matches this, and I will link that video below as well. It was a combination of unwrapping or unboxing the Coach charm, as well as this small wristlet also. And I think I mentioned in the video that this wristlet matched another item that I was expecting. I'm not sure. If I didn't, here it is. So this is the small wristlet that matches the Tyler carryall, and this is the signature brass charm as well. But all in all, I think that's a very pretty set. I think the purse, I did not measure it. Let me see if it's over 12 inches, because it's a nice size tote. It's not too big, but it's surely not a small bag. So I would say the base of the purse is about 11.5 inches. If I'm just going to go from end to end of the base, 11.5 inches. And then the width itself is about almost 5.5 inches in width. And then the height, is easily 11 inches as well. So it's almost 11 by 11. So that should give you a pretty good idea of the size of the tote. And I will try to find the measurements for it and include it on the screen or in the description box as well. But so far, you all, just looking it over, it looks good to me. Like I said, this was my second pre-loved or reloved purchase. Does it say pre or re? Let's see. Okay, it says reloved. So this is my second Coach reloved purchase. And I'm happy with it. I'm glad I got the wristlet to match. I mentioned also in the unwrapping video for the wristlet that it never went on sale. It was the same price on Amazon. It was the same price at Dillard's. It was the same price on the Coach website, across the board. So I just went ahead and got it directly from the Coach website. It's what I ended up doing. But I think that's cute to have the charm there, as well as the charm that came with it, and the hang tag, and the wristlet to match. So you all comment, let me know if you have the Tyler carryall in your collection as well. If you do, what color you have. And if you carry it often, if you don't enjoy it as a carry, or if it is a good carry to you, I would like to know, because this particular silhouette, it is new to me. I believe it's been out for a few years and has come in other colors as well. But this particular one I thought was very pretty. And then when I saw the wristlet as well, I absolutely felt like that this would be a very pretty set to have in my collection. So comment below. I will look forward to reading you all's comments. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. So thank you so much for watching, subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing. I really do appreciate it. And as always, you all have a very wonderful day.